Welcome, my beautiful students. How are you today, girls? How are you? Okay, my superstars. Today we will take together the last revision with me in English language. I need you to watch my video, girls. Focus with me in order to answer all my questions correctly in the exam. Our exam will be on Thursday, girls. Okay? I will start with you with a game. The name of this game is Ask and Answer Game. All of you knows this game, girls. Let me open this game and start asking and answering all the questions that we have here. Number one, if I ask you, girls, number one, do you play football? Yes, I do. What about number two? Number two, what do you think about a shark? I think a shark is scary. What about number three? Number three, where are you from? I am from Saudi Arabia. And number four, how do you go to school? I go to school by car. And number five, what sport do you like? I like basketball. Okay, I like what? I like basketball. Okay, girls, I like basketball. Okay, now I will play with you another game, my superstars, and the name of this game is Choices Game. Please focus with me here, girls. I will start with number one. Number one, she, a teacher. A is B, am, C, R. First of all, we have the personal pronoun she. What should I use with she, girls? I have to use is. So, she is a teacher. What about number two, girls? They good students. A is B, am, C, R. They what? What should I use with they? We have a plural personal pronoun. For this reason, I have to use are. They are good students. What about number three, girls? This is my bag. It is A. Yours. B. Mine. C. Hers. Of course, the right answer is what is mine. Why? Because we have the possessive adjective my. For this reason, I have to use mine. This is my bag. It is mine. Number four. What is this animal? It is a shark. It is a dolphin. It is a seahorse. Of course, it is a shark is the right answer. Okay, what about number five? Ali is as Sammy. We have A, taller, B, tall, and C, tallest. As I told you before, girls, if you see in the sentence as and as, you have to add the adjectives without er or est. So the right answer is tall. Ellie is as tall as Sammy. Number six, a cat is than a dog. A cat is cute, cutest, or cuter. Here we have how many animals? We have two animals, a cat and a dog. This means that I compare between two animals. For this reason, I have to use the comparative adjective. What do I mean by a comparative adjective? A comparative comparative adjective is an adjective that ends with er plus than. So the right answer is cuter. A cat is cuter than a dog. Number seven. What sport is this? Number one, rock climbing. B, horse riding. C, football. Of course, the right answer is B, horse riding. Number 8. You play basketball? Here we have you. So A, do, B, does, or was. The right answer, of course, is do. Why? Because we have you. When can I use do? I have to use do with I do. You do. they do, and we do. Okay? Number 9. She watched TV? Does, do, or was? Of course, we have to use does. Why? Because we have she. So when can I use does? I can use does with she, he, it, or a singular noun like Amal. Or for example, does Amal watch TV? Okay, so the right answer is does. Let me complete. Number 10. What does she do? Number 1, she cleans up her room, she sets the table, she washes the dishes. Of course, the right answer is she sets the table. Number 11, she is TV. She is watching TV, she is sleeping TV, she is swimming TV. Of course, the right answer is she is watching TV. I, the table. I sits the table. I set the table, or I sets the table. Of course, the right answer is B. I set the table. Number 13. The tiger is as the rabbit. A. Fast. B. Faster. C. Fastest. Of course, the right answer is fast. As I told you before, girls, with as and as, we have to use the adjective without est or er. So the right answer is the tiger is as fast as the rabbit. This is the right answer, okay? Back to my lesson now, my superstars. And now, girls, true or false? If I ask you, my lovely students, there are two types of sports, common and dangerous. True or false? Of course, the right answer here is true. There are two types of sports, common sports and dangerous sports. What are the common sports? The common sports are football, basketball, tennis, horse riding, and volleyball. What about the dangerous sports? What are the dangerous sports? The dangerous sports are scuba diving, skydiving, hang gliding, bungee jumping, rock climbing, and hang gliding. Number 2. I live in Egypt. True or false? Of course, the right answer here is false. So I live in Saudi Arabia, not in Egypt. Number 3. The cat can fly. Sorry, girls. The cat can fly. Of course, here false. What about I am Saudi? I am Saudi is true. So here I am Saudi, here true. The last one, many people in Saudi Arabia like falconry. True or false? Here, yes, true. So many people in Saudi Arabia like falconry. Okay, girls? So this is the end of my revision today, girls. Thank you for listening and watching, and see you in my virtual class. Goodbye, girls. Goodbye.